Okay, yeah, I'm definitely with you.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Man, I got some good contacts with just contact offices. This is a senator in Georgia, Saxony Chambliss.
Yeah.
He is. His office contacted me back, so I might have something to feud away.
Yep.
So.
I mean, he's actually up the election soon too.
Is he? Okay.
Yeah, that's the Chambliss. Okay, that's big time. Yeah, big time. Man.
All of them R's, but you know, I'm a D, but
still still good experience.
Yeah.
I mean, very good experience.
Yeah.
So
I got the time, so yeah, it's looking good.
Yeah, man. So I mean, I'll probably do everything but the security.
Okay. Who y'all know secure?
We had to raise everything. Yeah.
I thought y'all turned to M16 then.
But we're applying this now, for our family day.
Oh, M16?
Yeah. So it's kind of like that.
Y'all got $20 though? Yeah.
Okay.
Real good guy.
Chris, all right. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you later, Chris.
All right.
Hi, nice meeting you.
Very nice meeting you.
Y así mismo levanta.
Yeah, Alan.
You're on video.
I would like to tell all the people in Indiana that it's great that Chris Medrano came out here. She's going to be a vice president of some college one day. So don't forget her in these pictures because they will be worth something.
If I run for president, I can say I had a brief military stint like George Bush.
That's right. No, you didn't. Yeah, man.